Welcome back to another video, guys. I'm Whitney.
I'm Amanda.
And this is Chancey, who needs to have a good walk today. Hey.
Looking
at
at something, I don't know.
We got some
Birds.
some type of ducks.
Yeah.
So we want to introduce you guys to 2025, what our plans are, and Happy New Year.
Yes. Happy New Year.
2025. What a year it's been.
I know.
Not the best one.
At least
start
the
out.
beginning.
Yeah. It's been a rough time. Probably go into that at some point, but we want to give you guys some updates on 2025 for us. We are full-time in the van now.
Yep.
No more house. So we are fully living in there now. And at our little campground that we're at, we're actually walking the trails, and we know that there are deer back here.
Yeah. At least
So,
3 that we've seen.
Yeah. So, but pretty much the plans, obviously doing our normal camping stuff. Mm-hmm. We are still working, so we'll be moving throughout the United States. We're not sure where we're going to be next, so that'll be interesting.
Mm-hmm.
But it'll be nice.
It'll be a good change.
Yeah, for sure. And kind of the main plan of this is to see where we want to live permanently, because our ideal is to figure out what state that we want to be in. We love Arizona. We actually love Flagstaff.
Yeah.
But at the current moment, that's probably not where we're going to be at. And with that being said, we wanted to explore some more states. Mm-hmm. And that's why we got the opportunity to come up to Washington. Beautiful state. It's been awesome. Cooler weather.
Rainy weather.
Yeah.
But it's a good change from what we've been at.
Yeah, for the past 13 years.
I know.
So that's kind of the plan, to see where we want to go, pay off some debt, save some money, and buy some land. Mm-hmm. So those are kind of the overall updates, I'd say, for 2025. Pretty much going to be trying to put out maybe 2 videos a week.
Yeah, at least 1.
Yeah.
Yeah. You might get an extra second one in there once in a while.
Yeah. So we still want to do all of our normal camping videos, do some day in the life of.
Mm-hmm. Install, repair stuff as it comes up.
Yeah. We've already got 1 leak that we try to fix, and it's not worked yet.
I know. At least it's a little one.
It is, thank God. So,
yeah.
But if there's anything that you guys want to see more of, let us know down in the comments below. I try to respond to all of them as well, so that way we keep in touch with you guys, making sure that we're engaged and making sure that, if you guys have any questions, we can answer that. Mm-hmm. This looks really cool.
I know.
This is there's a shipyard over there somewhere.
Yep. Oh, there's a little bench. Woo! It's slippery.
Yep.
I was going to say there's a little bench, and I almost fell on my face.
Yep. Oh, this looks really cool.
Yeah, this used to be a dock, probably.
Oh, I could see that.
Yeah.
This is probably the lowest tide that we've seen so far.
Oh, I know. It's
here.
So low. That's why all the birds are catching fish and stuff.
Oh, yeah. Absolutely. But we're excited for 2025, even though it's not been the best start of the year yet. Mm-hmm. But we wanted to update you guys, especially for the new people that have joined the channel. We appreciate all the support you guys have given us and everything that we've been able to do on this channel. Hopefully it's been helpful for most, especially with the Rebels. It's not a DIY van, but we've made it a DIY van.
Pretty much, yeah, with all the things we've done and fixed. And
yeah, absolutely. But it's definitely one of those things that we want to keep doing on the channel. We want to show you guys the experiences that we're having and what's out there, all the new adventures that we have. We definitely want to try to make it east-ish at some point. So we really enjoyed the Boundary Waters in Minnesota, and they're pretty cold there right now. So probably not going to go there just yet. Maybe towards the end of the year.
Maybe avoid snow for right now.
Yeah, we want to avoid snow at the current moment. Obviously, we're tired of the desert, as you can probably tell. It's been nice to see the trees and whatnot up here.
Grass and green. And it's so nice.
Yeah. So this trail is like turning out to be really cool though. It's like really tiny and it looks like you can walk down this way.
And there's been a few like offshoots of the trail we're going to have to explore later on.
Absolutely. And the campground that we're staying at is really awesome too. The people have been really great, helpful. The little town is awesome. Definitely finding some new food spots. Ooh, this is nice and muddy. Oh, this is where the railroad is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So it wasn't a dock, it was the railroad.
Yeah.
Wow,
So we
that's crazy.
Go up here. It's definitely still muddy-ish from all the rain. We've gotten a nice break in the rain. But yeah.
Wow, it's like they just never finished the railroad.
Yeah.
I don't know if they never finished it, if it washed out, or I don't know.
Yeah, because this river is actually connected to the ocean, which is awesome to see like how it comes in and out. But like, there's so many trails. So many trails. So, gonna walk back to camp now. But pretty much that wraps up the 2025 updates for us. We had a great year in 2024. We went to Colorado, the Garden of the Gods. We went to Minnesota, to the Boundary Waters.
Lots of Arizona all over the place.
Had a lot of great dispersed camping as well too. So had a really good year in 2024. Rough start to 2025, but you guys know probably about as much as we do right now. Because we don't know where we're going to be in the next spot. We just know we're here for a little bit of time and then got to figure out the next spot.
Yep.
So if you guys, like I said, want to see anything in particular or have any questions, I mean, we don't have the house anymore. We went to 1,700 square feet to living in our van.
That was a transition and a half.
Yep. Yep.
We thought we had it, but we didn't.
That was very stressful and definitely one of those things that I don't ever want to do again, probably.
Well, I think once you do it once, you kind of get the gist of what it all entails.
Yeah, like we had our full lives, like back there in Phoenix and, you know, our house, everything. And we just decided that something just didn't feel right anymore. We were ready for a change and feel like we made a pretty dramatic one. That's for sure. So, but we're excited for it. And we're going to see how this goes. But other than that, we'll have a couple of videos out coming out soon here. Look at all this. Oh, look at all this green grass.
I love it.
Yep.
I know. I could just stay in the woods here forever.
Yeah.
I don't want to leave.
We definitely want to try to find some snow camping up here, but a lot of places are closed, obviously, for similar
Safety.
reasons that, you know, Flagstaff's closed.
Yeah, I know.
So, but we appreciate all of you guys that have liked our videos, commented on it. It's been on us with this journey for about 2 years now. Now it's a whole new chapter. We're full-time in the van, and we look forward to making more videos, exploring new places. And other than that, guys, we'll catch you on the next one.